everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing great. Guys, in this video I'm going to share with you my current skincare routine using a Biotique Bio Nectar range of products. So guys, from the past 10 days I have been using these products and I genuinely like them so much. So that's why I thought of sharing this with you all. So guys, before proceeding with the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Also please give this video a like and share if this is really helpful. So without wasting any time, let's get started. I genuinely like Biotique as a brand, and their products are Ayurvedic, and they also work really well on me, and they're so affordable as well. In any skincare routine, cleansing is really very important to keep our skin really very healthy and to get rid of excessive oil, excessive makeup, dirt and everything. And I'm using this product right now, and I'm liking it so much. This is Biotique Bio Morning Nectar Visibly Flawless Face Wash, and here it's mentioned it is for all skin types, and I would say it's totally correct. This face wash is actually good for all skin types. Even dry skin people can also go for this face wash, because this face wash doesn't have a gel consistency. It has a very good creamy kind of consistency, and even after applying I generally don't get the dryness on my face. Even in the current climatic conditions, that is in winters, even I'm not getting that dryness on my face after cleansing my face using this face wash, and I'm liking it so much. And this retails for only rupees 120, and we are getting 3 years of shelf life to use this product. What I have seen, guys, is after using this face wash I have got a good glow on my face, and in winters my face becomes little bit dry. I have little bit of dry skin around my nose, and I'm not getting that dryness around my nose. Mainly it also cleanses face really well. My skin gets rid of all makeup and excessive oiliness, and I really liked it a lot due to that. And I'm also telling you what are the ingredients that is there in this face wash. There is Nimba root bark extract, Asana stem bark, Mugdha seed, Madhu, Rita fruit, and a purified water. So you can see, guys, it is a white creamy sort of face wash. As you can see, guys, the consistency is like this. It is very creamy and thick. So I'm going to apply this on my face, and I'm going to clean my face really well. And the smell is amazing. Just going to wash my face and I'll be back. So guys, you can see I've really washed my face well, and I'm not getting that dryness on my face as I usually get with so many face washes. So next I'm going to scrub my face. So next step is scrubbing. So scrubbing is really very important to get rid of blackheads, whiteheads, or any impurities in your pores. It removes them really well, and it also exfoliates skin well. So that is really very important. So next I'm using this Biotique Bio Morning Nectar Visibly Flawless Scrub, and this comes in a tube like this, and this is the 50-gram tube, and this retails for rupees 75 only, which is so cheap and affordable. And we are also getting 3 years of shelf life to use this product. I'm also telling you the ingredients. There is walnut bark, sunflower oil, methi seeds, pudina leaf, neem chal. The particles in this scrub are also not very chunky. They're small particles, and the quantity of particles is much more. So that's why this scrub really works effectively on blackheads and whiteheads, is what I have seen. So around my nose I have little bit of whiteheads, and it has helped me a lot to get rid of those whiteheads. So I really like. Consistency is also little bit creamy, so it's not going to make skin very dry. The consistency is like this, guys, you can see, and I hope you can see the small particles that is there in this scrub. You can see there is water on my skin, and on top of this I am using this scrub. So always apply scrub when your face is wet, otherwise it's going to be very harsh on your skin. So right now I'm going to apply this on my face like this, and I'm going to scrub my face really well. I'm also going to scrub my lips a little bit to exfoliate my lips like this. So guys, I've scrubbed my face for around 1 minute and not more than this. So now I'm going to wash my face and I'll be back. After scrubbing, I do get little bit of irritation from some scrubs, but that is not the case with this scrub, which I really love. I'm just going to pat my skin well like this. Next step is a toner. Toner is really very important for our pores. Toners work well on tightening our pores. If you have open pore issues, then definitely go for a good toner, guys. And it also balances the pH level of our skin, because after washing our face, our skin becomes a little bit of dry and it gets devoid of all the oil and everything. So now I'm going to use this Biotique Bio Morning Nectar Visibly Flawless Toner with Himalayan waters, and this is also for all skin types. It's mentioned over here. It has also got 3 years of shelf life, and this retails for only rupees 175, and we are getting 120 ml of toner in this, which is really a good quantity that we are getting. And I'm also telling you the ingredients. There is Maju Fal Gals, I don't know guys how to spell this. There is Gajar seed, there is Grit Kumari leaf, there is Manjistha root, Gulab petals, Madhu, then Japa full. And here it's also written how to use this product. Apply to cotton pads or washcloth and gently wipe over a cleansed face and neck every morning and evening. So it's mentioned to use this product twice a day. I also wanted to tell you about this face wash. I'm using this face wash twice a day, in the morning and night. And this scrub, and I'm using just once a week. So definitely use a scrub only once a week guys, or twice maximum, not more than that. What I can tell is this toner really has a very good cooling and soothing sensation on face when I apply this, and it has got a very weird kind of smell which I generally don't like. I don't like the smell of this toner, but after applying this toner I do get a good glow on my face. I'll just show you right now. And I don't use this toner with any cotton pad or anything. I directly pour it on my hand. First I will shake it a little bit like this. You can see the packaging is like this, guys. And I'm going to pour this on my hand like this, little bit like this. Then I'm going to massage it like this onto my face and pat it so that it gets absorbed like this. And I don't get any irritation, any burning sensation or anything with this toner, which I really like. But the smell is little bit weird, which I don't like actually. But leaving that apart, this product is really good, and you can see an immediate glow on my face after applying this toner. Next I'm going to moisturize my lips. I'm getting little bit of dryness on my lips. This is Baby Lips lip balm, and the shade, I think it's cherry. Yeah, it's Cherry Kiss lip balm, and nowadays I'm liking this lip balm so much. And it has got a tint as well. You can see beautiful pink tint. So next step is a serum. So guys, now I'm going to use this Biotique Advanced Ayurveda Bio Nectar Visibly Flawless Serum, and it retails for rupees 230. There is 40 ml of serum in this, and here also we are getting 3 years of shelf life. And the ingredients are mentioned over here. There is Gulab Full, there is Mulethi root, there is Nariyal seed oil, that is coconut oil. There is Kamal Rijam. How to use, it's written massage a few drops into cleansed face and neck before moisturizer, morning and evening. I'm using 2 times a day, in the morning and the night time routine also. I'm following this step. I'm applying this serum, and I really like this product so much, guys, nowadays. And here it's written Morning Nectar Visibly Flawless Serum concentrates on reducing and preventing the appearance of dark spots, pigmentation and fine lines, promotes a brighter, smoother, nutrient balanced skin, helps restore a look of youthful radiance and well-being. So guys, what I have seen is this serum really has worked on my spots. This serum is really good for oily skin, and even dry skin people can also use this serum, followed by a good moisturizer. Because this is water based serum, guys. This is not oil based serum, so it might be little bit dry for very dry skin. So I'll just massage it like this, and you can see a glow on my face, immediate glow. I don't feel any oiliness, tackiness, any sort of that thing. So it's really very good for oily skin is what I can say. But if you have got a very dry skin, then definitely it can be little bit drying. Next and the last step is this one. I'm going to use this Biotique Advanced Ayurveda Bio Morning Nectar Visibly Flawless Moisturizing Cream. And this is for all skin types. Guys, someone was asking me about a newly launched moisturizing cream which is good for dry skin. So guys, honestly, I just suggest you this particular cream. You should definitely try this out. There is 50 gram of product in this, and this retails for rupees 99 only for 50 gram, which is so affordable. I am telling you the ingredients as well. There is barahi rhizome, kumkum stigma, there is badam seed oil, madhu, narikela seed oil, sunflower oil. It is a very thick cream, and I'll just apply this on my face. So guys, you can see the glow that I am getting on my face after following this skincare routine. So you can definitely try out all these products, guys, and this cream I highly recommend for winters. Any one of you has got a dry or to extremely dry skin, you can definitely try out this particular cream, and you will not at all get that dryness on your face. And I also highly recommend you to try out this particular range from Biotique, that is Biotique Bio Morning Nectar range. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video and this is really helpful. So I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye. Take care.